Alrighty guys, how's it going? This is David over here at Deed's Garage in the city of Corona. Well, as you guys know, here at the shop we do a little bit of everything that has to do with your automotive needs. We do window tinting is what we specialize in, but we also do auto glass and car audio installation. We've been doing it for the past 15 years. Professionals, clean installation, and all my work has warranty when it comes down to window tint, auto glass, or audio. But today, this video that I'm going to be making is on this Skar amplifier setup that the customer was curious to see if it was a good setup or not. And I'm going to be quite honest with you, I don't carry this brand here. I would order it through their website or through whoever has Skar Audio. I get Alpine, Pioneer, Kicker, you name it, I can get all that through my vendor. But through my vendor, I can't get this, but you can get it online. So he asked me for a price on a setup with like the Kicker L7s, 12s. I gave him a quote, and from there he chose Skar. I believe this was a little bit less expensive. And like I was saying, I've installed these setups before on customers' vehicle that they've brought them to me. And I've been pretty impressed. They've been sounding really good. Whoa, what is this? Looks like they might have just almost poked a hole in this thing. I gotta take a picture of that, make sure. Well, I got it on video, so yeah, so I give him my, he asked if I've ever installed any of this equipment here, and I told him yes, I've installed about a good 5 or 10 of them, and they've all sounded pretty good. So I got my review out of them. They're pretty good, so we're gonna try it out on his Chrysler 300. Like I said, this is another example. We just replaced his windshield last week and tinted it. He loved the job, he loved the service, and now he's coming back to give us a shot on doing our installation. All right, so I'm gonna get into it and take you guys along. Enjoy.